guys, and welcome back to another Ipsy Glam Bag Plus unboxing. This one is for July of 2022. You will note there was no Ipsy Glam Bag for this month. That was not a mistake. This was the first time in the entire time I've been an Ipsy member that I paused my membership for a month because it coincided with when I quit my job and literally did not have the funds for it. It is a fluke that I even got this because I had paused that too. But then I got paid from one of my side gigs and then I rolled back in, and apparently it was before the cutoff for this, so I still got this one, but I did not squeak in for the regular glam bag, so that's why there's only this for July for me, and it really sucks because everything I saw on Reddit, a lot of people said it was like the best glam bag they ever got. I'm like, that figures, but case for us raw, you know? So anyway. So the bag is pretty darn cute. I like it. Let's see. Does the card tell me anything? Probably not. It does not. So it's just July 2022. Soak it all in is the card. The sun, the shimmer, the SPF. This month, savor every moment, whether it's an impromptu pool dip or a self-care spa day, and leave those to-dos till tomorrow. And then there's friendly SPF tips in here. To keep you from feeling the burn, the 2-finger rule. A line of SPF along the lengths of 2 fingers is generally enough for your face and neck. Number 2, stash a spare. It's best to reapply every 2 hours, so make it easy to remember by popping an extra SPF bottle in your desk, car, or backpack. 3, don't miss these spots. Commonly missed places: the back of the neck, eyelids, chest, scalp can be ripe for sun damage. Number 4, know your keywords. Broad spectrum shields the skin from both UVA and UVB rays. SPF 30, the dermatologist recommends sun protection factor minimum, and water resistant, remains effective with prolonged exposure to water and sweat. And then just has the little ad for the incoming Glam Bag X the following month. So I'm just gonna toss that since it's not really relevant now because it has no product info. So reaching in, we've got from Item Beauty the Boost Juice Dual-Ended Lash Primer. It is lengthening and volumizing, and from what I saw online, it's purple and blue. And yeah, it's primer, but you can also totally wear it as colored mascara, is what I've been seeing, which looks pretty freaking cool. Yeah, it says apply as a boosting base under mascara or wear alone for a color pop. The lilac side is to volumize, the blue side is to lengthen. But yeah, if you wear it under mascara, it just disappears under it, just like white primer does. But as somebody who is kind of looking to get a couple of colored mascaras anyway, I'm like, alright, that's pretty cool. I'm actually pretty stoked about that. I don't think I'm going to use it as primer. I think I'm going to use it as colored mascara, knowing me. Another duo from Cella, we have a dual liquid eyeliner in Pearl. So, or it says Pearl, but the colors are blue and black. What? That's so weird. That's literally so weird. Maybe it has like a pearlescent finish or something, but yeah, the caps don't tell you anything, but the print on it says, this side's blue, that side's black. Oh! Oh, it sounds like a paint pen when you shake it! Oh, that's trippy. Oh, that's fun. Okay. Then from Araceli, we have the Tequila Highlighter with Agave. Blanco, I guess, is the color I have. Maybe. Araceli Beauty's Blanco Highlighter is ultra glowy, super buttery, and enriched with agave oil. Inspired by the purest form of tequila, Blanco, this shade dazzles with shimmery pink undertones to amplify the luminosity of your skin and amplify your natural radiance, vegan and cruelty-free. Let's see it. That sounds fun. Oh, I love me some highlighters. And yet it's not white. That's so weird. That's so weird, but it's really pretty, though. Here, I'm blocking the mirror. Yeah, when I said Blanco, I was not expecting this as the color, but alright. That's still a really pretty color, though. So, okay. Let's just pop that back in here for now for safekeeping till we review it, and then roll it into use. Okay, stick it here for now. Something in this bag smells really good, and I haven't hit what it is yet. So we have a Kimchi Chic Tyler bronzer, as if you just came back from a vacation. And it's in Bronze Age. I went to Malibu. Tan Vacation Tan. Is this what has a scent on it? No, it says fragrance free, so this isn't it. Oh, how cute! Oh my god, look how cute that is. This feels like one of those little, like, toy makeup things I had as a kid, I swear. Oh, that's fun, though. Ah, it, like, totally reminds me of, like, this Barbie one that I have with same shape and everything. Even kind of has, like, the same vibe to it opening it up. Oh my goodness. So, okay. That looks like a bronzer color I could potentially use. Like, it's a little dark, but it's usable. It's in the shade of usability, so, okay. Had a fuzzy from I don't know what, but I got it off now. Okay. I must be nearing whatever is scented, though, because it smells like the box has a smell on it. Well, it won't be this, and looking a little worse for wear. Murad Acne Control Oil and Pore Control Mattifier Broad Spectrum SPF 45. So wait, is it an SPF or is it... what is this? Oil-free lightweight SPF moisturizer. Okay, it's moisturizer that has SPF. Instantly minimizes the appearance of pores by 45% and delivers 10 hours of oil, shine, and pore control. Oil-trapping microspheres mattify, smooth, and blur imperfections. Avocado and African yellow wood bark extracts visibly reduce pore size and excess oil over time as hydrators prevent dryness. Use AM. Apply liberally to face, neck, and chest. Well, duh, you wouldn't use this at night. You don't need SPF at night, so. Okay. Put that over here where I see it. Oh, I bet this is what this has to be what the scent is. It's the Refreshment's Brilliant Body Bar in Jasmine Sunrise. I bet it's this. Yeah, that's what I'm smelling. Okay, because I was like, something smells like flowers. It smells really good, but what is it? It's this guy. Okay. That makes so much more sense, because I was like, what is it that smells so good in there? Ooh. I did not even see we had a lip balm. This is from Zion Health, and it's an elderberry hydrating lip balm. Okay. Alright, we got an elderberry lip balm. And then, I think this is the last item? Yeah. It's the Skylar Clean Beauty Vanilla Sky fragrance mist. Cappuccino, pure vanilla, and caramelized cedar. Oh, if this smells like the candle, I'm going to adore this, because I actually bought the candle of this, because it smells so good, and because of the name. It's a Paul McCartney song and a Tom Cruise movie. Oh, is it like a rollerball? Oh, it is! Ooh, okay, so it's not identical to the candle, but definitely is similar. Similar vibe. Like, I feel like there's almost, like, more of a muskiness to the candle, like a woodsy musk to it, whereas this is, like, way more emphasis on the caramel part, but it smells really good. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy to have that. Holy crap. So, anyway, that was it for my July Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I almost said Glam Bag X. I was like, that's not X, that's the following month. So, anyways, hopefully you enjoyed this. If you did, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe. Hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my eBay, my Reddits, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, see ya.